Stakeholders of Maritime State Development Council. This is the 20th session, and in this session most of the maritime state and union territories and all other related stakeholders took part and discussed at length about the different issues related to maritime sector, macro, micro, nano, all kind of issues. It is very adequately addressed, and also number of presentations presented by the respective state government and also union territories. As Secretary, Mr. Ramachandran has already informed you that we have discussed hundreds of issues regarding infrastructure, connectivity, all like modernization, mechanization, digitization, all the important parameters which is very much essential to enhance the efficiency of port operation and also for coastal shipping, exim cargo, inland waterways, and water policies, regulation, enactment, all kind of issues, and also the taxation. Everything has been put into the discussion, and that is why I believe it was a very, very lengthy discussion and lot of thought-provoking deliberation. And I believe this is one of the most successful Maritime State Development Council meeting. And in this meeting, we have taken a lot of resolution and lot of initiative, like National Single Window System Platform. It will streamline regulatory processes and substantially facilitating ease of doing business. That is most important, because nowadays every businessman, every users of the port, they want that there should be a process of ease of doing business. Everything should be easier. There should not be any hardship, any difficulties in making the business, because after all, whether it is export or import, whether it is domestic trade, everywhere the accessibility should be so comfortable, everybody feel easy, and also within a time frame people can extend their service to the nation, service to the mankind. So this is one of the an important thing. And other one is very important, that is Indian International Maritime Dispute Resolution Center. As you know, most of the dispute resolution centers are located abroad, London, Singapore, Dubai, Hong Kong, etc., etc. We didn't have access within the country. That is why we, being the leading maritime nation, we want this kind of institution must grow within the country, so that a stakeholder get benefit of it, particularly in the dispute resolution. Arbitration, yeah. So then of course, this global hub for arbitration, India will be future, the global hub for arbitration. Because this way, we can make easier for the stakeholders to have this kind of issue resolved. The another one is Indian Maritime Center. This is mainly taking all the maritime state and also the union territories, all other stakeholders on board. This particular center will function as a policy think tank and also maritime advocacy in international forum. So this is one of the most important facility which should be incorporated into our entire maritime trade. Then we have there's one more very important program we have launched, that is seafarer issues like shore leave and their role in global supply chain. We have asked coastal states to endorse the seafarer as key essential worker. Key essential worker. This is very important. If the all state, like kind of maritime boards, all the like coastal states endorse this, then it would be easier for them also, particularly MSA, to ensure immigration facilities at operational EXIM ports. So this is definitely will be great help for the seafarers. The other point is the places of refuge in India. So this is mainly the important mandate of DG shipping. So this is also be accessible. And then we have decided that custom and port will work together to develop requisite radioactive detection equipment. This is called RDE, infrastructure to check import for any potential hazard to both national security and public health. The other one is the first time in India, the dredger kill laying ceremony today for a 12,000 cubic meter trailer suction hopper dredgers marks the construction of India's largest dredgers, built in collaboration with ISC Holland at Cochin Shipyard Limited.